We got 45 seconds till market open. Um, Again, we're looking for longs today. Honestly, inflation expectations from University of Michigan coming out, high impact news. So I'm not too set on taking a trade today. I'll be fine if we don't take any trades. Um, I do want to see these highs up here get ran out. We got London and Asia high left over from yesterday. Obviously, if you saw that video, we were able to catch a trade. I wasn't confident at all, by the way, as you probably heard in that video, but we ended up securing. Yeah, it was on this move down here. We ended up securing around $120, and then got stopped out at break even, and then price ran to my take profit. So yeah, there's yesterday, and then there's me getting stopped out at break even. Um, so yeah. Like I said, we're looking for longs today. We balanced this price range yesterday, tapped into this hourly gap. So coming out of the hourly gap, draw will be up here. As well as we also have this high time frame SMT, which is really holding up this bias. We got ES came down here yesterday, was the leading index for shorts. It's been the leading index for shorts all week. So here's the beginning of the week. We had this bullish SMT, and then the next day we got a leg up, right? And then yesterday with this move down, we just formed another SMT. So I'm going to be expecting a run of these highs. Um, but yeah, so this is sort of what I'm looking at. I want to see it come below this 8 a.m. low, ideally. Manipulate some orders down here. It doesn't look like we're doing that. It looks like we're moving up to start, but want to see these levels get taken out. London high and Asia high from today are only 2 points away on NASDAQ. So very close here. I want to see those get ran. And on ES, Asia session and London session highs are the same, literally to the point. Like, so those will get ran. And it's sort of looking like we're going to run those and then trade lower today. Just based off of this minute and some odd seconds. But we are going to be looking for longs ideally, but if some of these targets get hit, then I may be able to take some off the retracement, but ideally we would just sit out. But we can, because on ES we're already getting this SMT. But on ES we have we got some clean lows under here. See all this? So we'll see what we want to do with this. But this is sort of setting up how it was yesterday. Where price, I guess not. I guess I thought it made a. Yeah, okay, here it is. Where price comes up, takes out London high, and then falls. That's sort of what we're seeing here. So if this can form an SMT, if this forms a bearish SMT, then I would be okay with taking shorts in this. This is just looking like yesterday. Looking like yesterday. Looking like yesterday. The only thing that I don't like is NASDAQ is going to be the leading index for the longs on this. And we're going to be the leading index for shorts on this. That's the only thing that would conflict those two. Almost much rather just run these highs. Pour my SMT like up in here. No. Where's the label? There it is. We got sparkling frozen berry today. Cheers. Mm-mm-mm. I gotta go to the bathroom. We're good because we're still hella early into the opening session. We're not gonna try to look to trade anytime soon. I'm just trying to scan through this and make sure I'm not missing any bullish SMTs that we could try to enter off of. Yeah, I'm not seeing much. Yeah. There's not much. But here's our 5-minute break of structure. So we're taking these out. That's good at least. So London and Asia high got swept on both of them. Oh, if we could run this high right here on NASDAQ, stay below it on EX, we got a good bearish high time frame SMT. And then we can start cleaning these out. Excuse me. Oh, I really don't want to see a reversal off of here. Can we just keep, just stab up there, stab up there for me. Just jump up real quick. Then ES can get weak. But for now, I need you to just push higher. I guess we can form an SMT here, but that's that's not what I want to see. Like, why can't Nasdaq just run these highs? Just run them right now. Thank you. Thank you. Take this high out, put it a low, and let the floodgates open. Let the floodgates open. This high time frame SMT is about to get filled. Retail is throwing in longs right now for sure. I definitely would be if I was trading this. On the 1 minute, I would be tossing longs. Long. Broke out of structure. Long. Just tossing longs. I think we'll get one more push up here. And then ES will drop pretty hard, probably. At least that's what I want to see. I want to see ES start to fall before NQ. I want ES to be the leader on this one. Because that's how it's been all week. ES has been the weaker pair. We can see, here's the S&T I was talking about. ES took out the low, NASDAQ didn't push above. All right. ES took out this low, now we're starting to push above. So ES is the weaker one for sure. For sure. And we're not going to require this to get filled on here. We just need it to get filled on NASDAQ. And once that gets filled on NASDAQ, we're setting up pretty good to make a SMT here. Between this high and whatever high gets posted here. And then this high and whatever high gets posted hopefully down here. Then we'll use the 10 o'clock news to send price down here. Start really clearing stuff out. I'll probably take most of my position off here. But maybe hold a runner or two to here. High time frame. High time frame. But we need NASDAQ to fill the bullish SMT. See, I told you those are literally equal. I tried to delete Asia high, and there was another line under it, so I couldn't read it because the other line under it was London. Don't turn around here. That's stupid. I guess you can if you really want to, but like, really? that what we're gonna do? It's still an SMT though. Let me get the notes out. Get the notes out. Yeah, well, it's looking. That might be the. That might be what we were looking for. Interessante. I don't know why I burp so much. Probably this, but we're gonna fail to take weekly high. Post the SMT. I don't. Wait, hold on. Think about this. Got a 5 minute SMT, push price down. We break through this fair value gap. Right, in 19 seconds, if we close below it, that'll be our breaker structure. Then we'll be waiting for a 5 minute retrace on ES because that's going to be our weaker pair. But if we can get a retrace on NASDAQ that pushes above this high, it'll fill the SMT. It'll most likely create another bearish SMT if ES can stay below that. And then we can go down. Because right now I wouldn't want to short this because we're so close to this target on this SMT, and I don't want to pick this high. And I don't want to fight against the high time frame. So I understand that we have this SMT in play right now. And for this to get filled, we need to take out this high. Even though we took out this high, that's not the high that we're targeting. We're targeting the highest point between the two times. So that'll be this one. I think that's what I'm going to look for. See, this fair value gap gets violated on both indexes, which is good. So we got 5-minute inverse fair value gap, 5-minute SMT. Now we're waiting for the retrace. And we got news coming out in 2 minutes and 20 seconds. We got a 1-minute SMT here. Do I want to enter? No, not really. Especially if we didn't close this one bearish. This isn't a high yet. I'm learning. But there we go. That's a 5-minute. I gotta go to the bathroom again. All right, I'm taking a piss. News is released. Move down and a move up. Here's we close below here. I'm getting in shorts. Got everything we wanted here. 5-minute SMT, 5-minute retrace into the gap. 1 minute's looking like we want to break structure. So if we do, we'll put stops above here. We're going to target Thursday low. Ooh. Yeah, we'll put stops down here. I'll put them up here. This is going to be TP1. Got a pretty big stop. That's good. This is going to be the 2022 model right here. This should be another entry. Here's about $80 a contract. So this is literally our model. The only thing that concerns me is this high time frame SMT not getting filled. This not getting filled does worry me a little bit. It would be very good for us if we could close below here. That would be nice. A little 79% closure. Regardless of how this goes, I would say that I'm content. I'm good with whatever way this goes because this is part of my model. This is part of my model. We got a high time frame versus a high time frame. High time frame S&T. Push through here. 5-minute inverse fair value gap after sweeping Q level. I didn't even mark out this high either. There's that high we swept out. Inverse fair value gap SMT off of that. 5-minute retrace back into equilibrium. Rejected equilibrium. Broke structure. Formed a 1-minute gap. We're reacting to levels on this fair value gap. So smart money's in here somewhere. Smart money's in here somewhere. We closed right at the high of this fair value gap. On here, we closed right at the low of this fair value gap. Wick to the high of this fair value gap. Like, smart money's in here. Just don't know if they're on my side or not. But we will find out soon. Kind of an early, no, not an early entry. It's 10 o'clock. My bad. I'm just watching the little lines at the bottom. They keep jumping whenever I make sound. Just go. Just go. It would just be so perfect if on this 5 minute candle we can close below that 79. That would be perfect. Also, it doesn't look like we'll hit. Excuse me. It doesn't look like we'll hit any targets within my time sitting here. So we'll go over this now. So that way when I leave, there's no questions. London low, this green level here, this is going to be TP1. Put a buy limit there, put an alert there. Get rid of these from yesterday. TP1 hit. Move stop to break even. And then the take profits from here. So from at TP1, TP1 is a 1 ratio 1 R. It's just fucking breaking. Oh my god, it looks so good. Oh my god. Gotta be serious. Lock in, twin. Lock in. I've gotta go city poo poo. Got a couple closes under here on NASDAQ. Couple closes down here on ES. We'll see where this 5-minute candle goes. Boring. Boring. Another 2022 entry model. Dink. I'm going to take a shit. Y'all watch this for me. Y'all watch this for me. Keep it safe. Keep it safe. I'll be right back. See, I can't leave stuff with y'all. Not gonna lie, I was watching this on the toilet. We got a little SMT that's starting to form. This high, up to here. This high, down to here. Aligns with the high time frame, where ES is the weaker one. We might be getting a push here come 10:30. Because this is 10:28 candle. Or yeah, no, 10:30 would 10:30 if it closes bearish. Oh my god. Where this candle closes. I need to go very, very soon. But please close bearish. Please close bearish. Please close bearish. The longest 19 seconds of my life. Close bearish. Bah! I do need to go. Oh shit. Okay. Um, I guess you'll know if I win by the title. So whatever the title says is how much I made or lost. I don't know yet. You know, not me. Goodbye.